Hey there! Welcome to Janice on channel. In today's video, we're learning how to pronounce the name of a famous actor whose name is often said completely wrong, Ralph Fiennes. At first glance, you might be tempted to say Ralph Fiennes, but that's not it at all. His name is actually pronounced Rafe Fiennes. Yep, Ralph is said like Rafe, and Fiennes sounds just like Fiennes. So put it all together. Rafe Fiennes. Kind of surprising, right? Rafe Fiennes is best known for playing iconic roles like Lord Voldemort in the Harry Potter series, and despite being a household name, many people still stumble over how to say it. Now, you know the correct way. Rafe Fiennes. Try it with me a few times. Rafe Fiennes. Rafe Fiennes. Rafe Fiennes. Rafe Fine. Rafe Fine. Rafe Fine. Rafe Fine. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation tips right here on Janice on channel. See you next time.